Let's see. What does it look like? Can I show the camera?
Yep.
Oh, they're sleeping kitties. And these are the ones you can get.
And the other ones?
Which one do you really want?
The green one.
The green one?
Yes.
All right.
Hey. Hey. I want.
Oh, you almost got it. Open it, puppy. You're gonna rip it off. Oh.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Right
No.
there. You're probably not going to keep the box, are you?
I'm not gonna keep the box. Now.
Don't show the camera first. Close your eyes.
No, I don't want to. I want to open it. Hey. Mommy, I see it.
You see it?
I want.
You already said the green one. Open it. Open it.
It looks like one. It's not. Wow. Let's have a sleepy cat over time.
Oh, show the camera. Which one you got?
Yellow one.
Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it's a little yellow kitty. Let's see. That is beautiful.
Look it. That's a sticker.
That is so cute. Open it up. Tell your followers, like and subscribe for more unboxing.
More unboxing tomorrow. Look, it already comes out.
Oh, let's see. Oh, what a cute kitty. All right. That's it, guys. That was our little unboxing trip at the mall today.
Let's go get some more right now. Please?